Hi everyone, welcome. Very often, after hand fabrication or casting, we notice small pits or porosity on the gold surface. In this video, I'm going to show you the proper method for removing these defects, and I'll also explain the main reasons they occur during the production process. In many cases, even after removing the porosity, tiny spots may still appear, which makes the workflow more difficult. As you saw in the video, I first clean out the porous areas completely with a drill because these very small, dark spots are not only on the surface, but also deeper inside the gold. And if they are not fully removed, they can reappear as bubbles or spots after applying the gold solder ... During the soldering process, to prevent the gold from discoloring due to heat, we coat the piece with boric acid. I want to share two very important points about the solder. First, the solder you prepare should be made from the same gold as your piece. Second, the solder must have a high gold content so that after soldering, it perfectly matches the color of the gold. Next, we clean the piece with acid and completely remove the excess solder using a file and polishing tools. At the end of the video, you can see the final result. Now, let's talk about the main causes of this issue. During the casting process, I can point out two important reasons. The first reason is that the wax or resin used may not have fully burned out or been properly removed while the cylinder was in the furnace. The second reason is the separation of thin layers of investment due to high injection pressure, which then enter the flow of the molten gold, a very common occurrence. These two causes are among the most frequent problems, but there are other factors as well, such as investment venting, gold injection temperature, furnace temperature, and so on. If you want, let me know in the comments and we can go over the issue together, or I can upload a video showing the correct procedure. Thank you for staying with us until now. Please support us by liking and subscribing.